Samsung has just launched the official campaign for the foldable devices. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So guys, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 official teaser are out. We even saw multiple teaser of the Flip 4 alongside with the Fold 4, which give us a pretty much good idea of the devices. But do consider that the spotlight for the upcoming event will be the Galaxy Z Flip 4 just because of its pricing and small form factor. Now, the event is going to be happening on August 10 and literally we are less than 2 weeks away. On that particular event, we are going to see the Flip 4, Fold 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds Pro. You can reserve all the Galaxy devices now from Samsung official website and get a $200 credit if you buy all 3 devices. But one thing that you should be known that what you are going to be seeing for the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4, is it going to be a upgrade which you want, or still the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is better for you? But before going to that, if you would like this content, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and also tell in the comments whether you are going to be upgrading from Z Flip 3 to Z Flip 4 and what features do you want to see in the Z Flip 4. Now, talking about the official press render that are coming for the Flip 4, basically it gives us a pretty much good idea what the device is going to be look alike, and to be honest, it's looking similar to its predecessor. Also, the render images confirm the color of the upcoming Flip 4. Like, we have 4 color options that are being leaked, like a graphite, pink, gold, purple and blue, and you can also get a bespoke edition if you want to have a custom color combination for your Flip 4. Now, talking about the design, we have the same 2 lenses on the back of the device which are quite similar to the Flip 3, except we are going to see a slightly bigger outer display with a 2.1 inches instead of 1.9 inch of outer display. Also, the second major change which you will find in the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be the new hinge mechanism, which is going to be a single hinge, and it's also going to not only lower the weight of the device but also the crease is going to be a little less noticeable just because of this new hinge. With that being said, the third major change will be an upgraded battery capacity of 3700 mAh as compared to 3300 that we have seen in the Galaxy Z Flip 3. The fourth major change is going to be that it's coming with a new, and most likely it's going to be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus processor. Another thing about the coloring option is that instead of having a glossy look on the Galaxy Z Flip 3, we now have a matte finish on the Galaxy Z Flip 4, which is definitely going to be a much improvement, just because the fact that glossy back will have more fingerprints and the matte finish will have less noticeable fingerprint on the back side. So this is going to be a great upgrade. Anyhow, as far as the pricing is concerned, it has been rumored previously that we might actually see a price hike in the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Like, we have different variants for the upcoming Z Flip 4, and all the variants are coming with 8GB of RAM, but they have different storage options. Like, we have 128GB, 256GB and 512GB of storage option, and the pricing for each model is different. Like, we have 1080 euros for 128, 1158 euros for 256GB and 1275 euros for 512GB. This leak is true, then I definitely think that Samsung should consider the pricing of their devices, because one of the most important factor for the Galaxy Flip device to get more sale is probably the pricing. I do believe that Samsung will be going to stick with the same pricing because there is no significant improvement in terms of the design. We do hope that Samsung will retain the same pricing as the last year. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about these new features that are coming in the Galaxy Z Flip 4? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.